Lori Mace, Sonoma County's health officer. I'm here to share the latest updates on coronavirus in Sonoma County with you. As of May 5th, there are 261 confirmed cases, up 4 cases in the last 24 hours. Of those cases, 130 are active, 128 have recovered, and we have 3 deaths that have been reported. To date, we've performed 6,651 tests, up 183 tests in the last 24 hours. I want to tell you about our new testing sites that opened today. 2 new testing sites opened, one in Petaluma and one in Santa Rosa. They are operated by OptumServe under contract by the state of California. Each site can provide 130 tests per day. That's serving 130 persons per day. Anyone can make an appointment by going to lhi.care/COVID testing, and people without internet access can call 1-888-634-1123. Again, that's 1-888-634-1123. You can find all of this information on socoemergency.org. There is no cost for the test for those who do not have health insurance. And these new testing sites are separate from the operation that the county has with the drive-through testing in Sonoma County Public Health Laboratory. The county testing site is now open for 2 of our priority groups, healthcare workers who are asymptomatic or symptomatic, and first responders who are asymptomatic and symptomatic. First responders include people who provide 24/7 emergency response, first aid care, or other related assistance, either in the course of the person's occupational duties or as a volunteer. This would include peace officers, emergency medical technicians, firefighters, and rescue workers. Healthcare workers and first responders should call 707-565-4667. Again, 707-565-4667 to make an appointment with the county's drive-through testing. And anybody who has symptoms of coronavirus should still contact their medical providers to seek treatment and testing. So we have a lot of testing options now for everybody in the community. Many of you also want to know when we'll be open for business again. The answer to this question does not always come with a timeline or a certain date. And there's criteria that need to be met, as well as a sequence of events that has to occur to ensure that we can begin to restore our social and economic lives in a careful and gradual way. Now, we are laying all the essential groundwork for opening up the community, and we are aligning with the governor's executive order as well. So we're already fulfilling the governor's first stage of safety and preparedness for opening up by expanding our testing throughout the community, regardless of employment, health condition, or exposure status, as I just described, and conducting intensive contact tracing of those who are exposed to persons who are positive with COVID, as I've explained before. We do expect that Sonoma County will be shifting into the second stage of the governor's resilience roadmap by opening up lower risk workplaces soon, since we're ramping up testing, performing intensive contact tracing, and meeting the other criteria that's been put forth. So what does this mean for businesses, workers, and the greater community? Soon, many retail businesses that can deliver curbside service will be able to operate. Many manufacturers that support those retail businesses will also be able to resume their activities. Some offices may be able to reopen with telework functionality is not possible. And employees will have the confidence that business adaptations have been made to protect their health and safety while at work, their welfare, and that of the coworkers and community by having wage replacement in place if they become sick. We will provide more information on how we and you can prepare, and we are preparing for stage 2 this week. So thanks for joining. Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, and we'll talk again tomorrow.